I'm Guillermo Rein, Professor of Art Science in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, engineer by training and scientist by career.
I'm Hanna. I'm a PhD student in mechanical engineering, and I'm just entering the second year of my PhD.
Hanna, you study your mechanical engineering undergraduate degree here. What is your favorite facility at Imperial?
So for me, my favorite facility would be the student teaching workshop. From your first year, you have the ability to go in and use the machines to make your own design projects. So most of the facilities there are metalworking facilities, lathes, mills, and you get to use prototyping facilities such as woodworking and 3D printing facilities as well. And it's really what, for me, made the mechanical engineering course unique, because so many other degrees within the UK don't have that expansive facility for students and don't allow students the freedom to go in and use it completely on their own for their own projects. If there was a fire within the department, which facility would you save and why?
I think I will protect my own lab, sorry for that. It happens to be a far lab, so maybe actually there will be a chance that I can save part of it. It is unusual for universities to have a fire lab. There are only a few, less than a dozen in the world.
What makes Imperial a great place to do mechanical engineering?
First will be the quality and the diversity of the students that we have. But also something specific to the department is that we have the student teaching workshop where our students go and they experience operating machines that are used for manufacturing. And another thing that I really like, the diversity of labs that we have. In mechanical and in engineering in general, we have any topic. You go to the Encyclopedia of Mechanical Engineering, you open any page, you will find a lab that we have looking into that topic. For example, just to say three quick ones, the lab where the students can design and manufacture the chassis of a car, of an actual car that has to comply with all the performance requirements. Or, for example, the batteries labs, which you are familiar with, where people manufacture, study and analyze batteries. And another one could be, for example, the robotics lab, where students have to develop the controls and the sensors and the actuators that lead to different types of robots. What is it that you like the most about your undergraduate studies?
For me, it was probably the well-rounded nature of the course, particularly in third and fourth year, your design projects. You feed in all your other courses into one overarching project. But you've already had experience in first and second year where you've been in the labs testing parts and you've been in the workshop manufacturing your own parts. So you've already got the practical experience. I went into industry after my undergraduate degree for a couple of years before I came back to do my PhD. And I think it was the diversity of the experiences that I'd had at Imperial that was really useful. I used all sorts of different courses that I'd taken at Imperial, one of which was the heat transfer course I took with you. I frequently used the textbook from the course.
Success.